Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. My name is Muhammad Rifqy Abdul Gofur Al-Fatah. I'm from University of Muhammadiyah Malang, and now I will presenting about my latest project about steganography, which is titled Strengthening Steganography with RSA and Compression with DWT. Okay, next we have highlights here, which is introduction, research problem, objective, challenge, system design, and conclusion. Firstly, I would like to introduce about steganography. What is steganography? Steganography is the art of hiding information behind media. So basically, this steganography is a tool that if there is someone that want to send some crucial information or secret information to his friend or to his institution, that no one should access this information, then he could use this steganography. And how does it work? Here I have illustration. Firstly, there is a text or information or data, anything, and then I will hiding it behind image and then blend it. So it will call stage image. So in this image, you see that this could be this look like a normal image, but if a hacker use text analysis, which is a tool that uncover the data or message behind it, the data will reveal and then the image have secret data. So that's why steganography is important for hiding information. And then there is cryptography. What is cryptography? Cryptography is a method to secure communication with disassembling data through mathematical technique. Uh, this cryptography is a method that if there is a line of binary, it will disassemble it and then add another binary so that hacker cannot read this data. Except this hacker use any tool, use any analysis tool. But that's a different story. For now, cryptography is for sure is a method that secure data by encrypting it. Okay, that's for cryptography. Move on to the next one. Importance of steganography. Why I choose steganography? Because in Indonesia there is sentiment about data privacy. The sentiment is very bad with PDN getting attacked by hacker and many institutions too that getting data breaches. So with steganography, this can be a solution for hiding information behind for any media, for any data, so that I hope this will prevent data breaches in future. And next, the research problem. Indonesia has security crisis after receiving ransomware attack, and then steganography could be a solution, but it still need security or encryption because steganography itself default in default doesn't have any security and then slow performance while encrypting data. The objective or main goal of this research is firstly enhance the security of steganography, second ensure data so data is still hidden, and then optional additional target is improvising steganography performance with data compression and multi-thread. I come with two solutions. RSA as a solution to increase security for steganography and DWT or discrete wavelengths transformation as a method to compress image. So why I choose RSA? I forgot to add the source so that previously I've read many journal, especially from Hamed. So from many journal stated that RSA is a perfect solution for encrypting data, and then I use Hamed RSA, which is upgraded RSA, is very fast than the original RSA. Then the next one, DWT. This is a method to compress image. So basically, the image will be parted into two pieces and then it will be processed with wavelengths. So then this image will be decreased from the normal size. Therefore, the computing itself will be much faster. Okay, this is the flowchart from my program. The first is the message. From the message, I will decrease the size message. I will decreasing it so the computing it will be faster, and then I convert it into SI, which means that I could enter any data into image. Okay, here I have keys. So the key itself is come from cryptography. What is key? Key is, yeah, basically it's just like a key for door. This key itself will lock the data itself. And if you want to uncover the message, if you want to read the message, you need to decrypt it. You need the public key. Here, it is a private key. Private key means that the sender or the creator of the message only have these keys. And then there is public key. Public key will be shared to anyone who want to read it. But public key is just like a whole. And private key will be like the key itself because it's come from the owner. Okay, and then here we have PKR. PKR means randomized number. So we could choose randomized number to increase the difficulty to decrypt cryptography. Then come to multi-threading. Multi-threading means that we use all resources in PC. It means that the process will be shared into another thread or another core. Therefore, the process itself will be much faster. Here we convert the ciphertext and then insert it into image, start reading, processing in parallel, compressing with DWT, and insert into image. That's for encrypting image. What about decrypting image or open the message behind the image? Firstly, we have image here and we have message. We extract the message and use multi-threading to decrypt the cryptography, start reading, process encryption. The message will come out from the image, apply DWT compression to decompress the image, and the message will come here in the complex flowchart and here in the traditional or more simple flowchart. Okay, then pros and cons of this program. The advantage I have are enhance the security and enhance the performance. My limitations are in file size and then the complexity itself because I combine three methods which are cryptography, steganography, DWT. Oh, I mean four. And the last one is multi-threading. Okay. Then we come to the code itself. Here I have the code. Firstly, we have function that stated here embedded message parallel. Here I have embed message parallel. We open the image first, then we input the message that we want to image. Then with binary, we insert it randomly and we calculate for data in image. It will process automatically in computer and then it will be combined in the pixels. So which means that in naked eyes, the image will not have any major change. But if it looks with microscope, there will be much different. Or if you use any tool that decompress pixels, it will send the result. Then we have extracting message parallel here. Parallel means computing with sharing resource. So it'll be shared in to many resource or many cores or many processor. Here we have to open the image and list all the data and then convert all the binary into text and try to decode the image and then return we will have the image, we will have the message itself. I'm sorry. And then we have DWT here. It is a compressing process. Then inverse, which means decompress, returning it into the normal size. And then here are function of GUI, a function that will be appear in PC. Okay. Yep. These are the code and I will run it. Okay, here we have the GUI, the application itself. We will test it with image that I have in this PC. Okay, I will choose this one. Okay, open image. I will enter any message, maybe UMM as the message. Then I will click hide. Okay, here it said that my message is hidden successfully. And then I will save the image. Okay, the image has been saved successfully. Again, I will test it. Will the data is hidden successfully behind the image? We will see. Okay, look at the image. Users, Asus. Okay, here is the result of my image. Show data. Okay, it appears UMM. Well, it is successful. So that's all from my presentation. The conclusion itself is this project will help Indonesia to secure data, ultimately in hiding data from the attacker. I hope that this program will help government in hiding data from attacker. Okay, thank you for listening to my presentation and see you.